Hi, my name is Angie Quiroga and I'm going to talk to you about the travel week in Morocco. Introduction of the place. The Kingdom of Morocco is located in the extreme northwest of the continent American. It is bordered by the Mediterranean Sea of the north, the Atlantic Ocean to the west. The Sahara Desert stretches across much of the south of the East Morocco. Road of the trip in Morocco for 6 days. Day 1. Marrakech. The city, as allowed to do, we recommend get up early and make it the most of the day ahead. Most of the cities of interest are with its beautiful Medina, the most important bay. Yama fan score, the score of peace, the Ben Youssef Madras, the Bahia Palace, the Science Tombs, the Knob Mouse, and the Secret Garden. Day 2. En route to Days Valley, tour the Atlas Basin tour 8 Bago and our Sasait. At 2,206 meters high, after enjoying the landcaps, you will arrive at the scar of the Eight Ben Haddou, where movies with snow and snow as Moroccan cinema know. You can do this tour or an excursion with outer travel of with a car rental. Day 3. Merzoa Desert. The first stop on this tour will be Todra George, an imposing sight erect by the fords of the river of the same name. They continue to small to Airfoot and continue to Downs Air Chevy. It is recommended to stay in the camp in the mile of the desert to see one wonderful sunset and the stars. Day 4. From Merzoa to face Basin toward the Middle Atlas. Instead to continue south, this Morocco itinerary heads north to reach Fez at the end of the day. You will not do it a direct way, but you can make stop in Tafilat and Roussani. The latter was the ancient capital of Tafilat, whole city and craft of the Alou dynasty. Day 5. Fez. Today you have a day to explore the labyrinth of Medina of Fez. Day 6. Fez and or excursion to Meknes. You can dedicate the last of the your well-log road Morocco to continue exploring Fez or if or made the most previous day make a trip to Mex. Means of transportation. The most recurrent transport in Morocco is the taxi, ideal for traveling. For the long trip, I would recommend the train a cheapest alternative or renting car, which in the very good opinion. Activities to do. The most fascinating activity in Morocco is to visit the luxury tents that are traditional. Another activity that you cannot miss is rental of buggies and squat in the desert. Know this gastronomy Morocco and below Flictis is a unique experience for beginners in the Medina. Another recommended activity is the night in the Agafay Desert. Recommended accommodation in Morocco. Hotel with Rose du Desert Marrakech included be rich breakfast clip. Bag coffee and bin haddou quality a price of this hotel has a swimming pool. On arrival, you are invited to tea, homemade pastries, and breakfast included. Typical foods. The most delicious dish of Moroccan gastronomy are couscous, tawin, peel, bizarra, harira. Cost. The Moroccan dish of American churros of Morocco. Filled from Bogota, Morocco, Marrakech, $1,284. Hotel 5 nights, $158 for $3. Car rental 3 days, $50.7. Gasoline for $7.8. Public transportation $10.56. Food and drinks $64.6. For catch $142,067. Activity $211.24. The total of the tourist package in the 2.4119 for $2. Thank you.